Hello, today we'll be unboxing the ILCO Futura H Plus machine, available at LocksmithKeyless. Now we will open the box. Now, let's see what is inside. We have inside, we have the guide. We have here the toolbox to set the machine. The cleaning brush, and this is the fixing bracket. This holds under the machine to hold the machine in place. Now we're going to install the tablet holder. Over here we have the little tablet, gloves there. This gloves right here. And we're going to open the machine. We have to plug the machine. Now we're ready to go on and turn on the machine. Close the shield. We have to wait a few minutes to see the lights on. The lights is on. We are ready to start working with the machine. You can get this machine at LocksmithKeyless.com.
Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at LocksmithKeyless.com. And make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.